This might be weird timing. I don't know why it would be. But anyway, hi. Welcome to this. I cosplayed Star Platinum a few weeks ago, and so I wanted to cosplay Star Platinum again. But I wanted to make a video on how I did my makeup for Star Platinum because a lot of people were like saying I look epic. That's what this is. Okay, two things. First of all, I am in no way, shape, or form a makeup artist, and I'm just a cosplayer, and I'm pretty sure that's self-explanatory. And two, said I had 2 points, but I really just had one. To start Star Platinum, shave your face, okay? I have to cover my eyebrows, which I will show how I do that. It's not the best, but it's not the worst. We're just this. So I glue my eyebrows down flat to my face. That's pretty much the only reason you glue down your eyebrows is so you can cover them to put new eyebrows. But since I'm doing face paint, Star Platinum doesn't have eyebrows. I'm sorry. A friend has come to join us. Look, it's my baby chicken. It's Cloud. Hi, Cloud. This is my cat. But anyway, primer. I got this from Wish. I don't know what it does. Primer. This is the face paint that I use. I got it off Amazon. As you can see, everything is purple. Like that's all. The white's purple. The black is purple. It's all. Get out of the frame! So let's just get right into it, my dude. I'm not gonna put the whole wig cap on right now because I don't want to look bald. I don't want to be bald right now. Oh, because this looks 10 times better, doesn't it? Oh yeah, for sure. Usually right now I would say to change your clothes into the costume, but I don't feel like doing that right now. I don't really know how to show this. I'll do my best. Purple is not white. Oh, that's too dark. Try again. We'll start with this. Hey, so I'm gonna try and do a voiceover for this because adding subtitles takes a lot of time. But anyway, I'm starting off by adding a light purple base on my cheeks and like gradually making it darker if I need to, and then I map out where the other part of his purple cheeks go, which is a shade darker than the front. Then I either lighten or darken as I go. It's very important to like pay attention to where the lines go and where the lines are. And then I add the dark purple under the eyes and on the nose, and black on the forehead, which is just basically just dark purple. Here I'm painting on his little chin thing, goatee looking, that like protrudes from his chin, but I don't have one of those, so I just paint it on. You know how it be. I basically just start out with an outline of what I'm going for, and then I go from there and fill in everything and refine edges and make things darker or lighter. Can't forget his top lip. His top lip is the same color as his side cheek, his jawline, cheekbones, I don't know. And his bottom lip is the same color as his front cheeks, whatever it's called. I also had a really hard time with the jawline and cheekbone area with trying to fill it in, and it kept making nasty looking patches with the face paint. The sides of his nose are like almost white. A very, very light purple. So don't forget that. Here I decided to like test out an idea that I had to make my eyes look bigger, because I don't do that a lot. And the first time I did Star Platinum's face paint, I didn't really like how the black made my eyes really small, and I looked kind of ugly. So here I was testing out an idea, and I think it worked really well. Kind of made me look like a baby Star Platinum. Find them lines and edges, my dude. Also, around his inner corner of his eye, his, like, the white and how it meets his eye is kind of weird, so I try to replicate that as best as I could. Here's me struggling to fill in my cheeks, and you can definitely tell. I struggled to the point I decided to use eyeshadow and just fill it in, and I also tried to do a contour thing to make it look like I have cheekbones. So I think that looked really cool. See, there I am doing it right now. There's me using eyeshadow. The eyeshadow actually made it look better. It worked really well. And then I tried to do like highlight the higher areas of the face. Oh, there's me filling in stars under eye bags. But I tried to do like a highlighting effect to give some dimension. I'm actually really proud of how this face paint looked versus the first time I did Star. I am just highlighting the corners of my little chin goatee thing because it protrudes off of Star's face, even though mine doesn't, so I had to make it look like that using face paint. There's me highlighting, popping. Anyway, thanks, bye. I think I'm done, so I will put on clothes and be right back. I forgot one last thing. I have to outline everything with black, so I'm just gonna do that off camera. So I'm gonna do that really fast, and then I will put my clothes on. It's me, Oraman. Please let me know what kind of videos, or what other kind of videos I should make, because I want to get back into making YouTube videos. I had the idea of reacting to JoJo MMDs because JoJo and MMD, you know? You know? So I'm gonna go eat and make TikToks and live stream. So please let me know if you like this kind of content, if you just suggest content that you would like to watch, because I want to make it. Okay? Thank you. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Sorry I don't have contacts for Star Platinum. I'm poor. But I will see y'all in the next video I make. See ya!